as the leader of opposition, I would like to say that we disagree with the motion of this House will require individuals to pass a political general knowledge test in order to vote. So first of all, we believe that the status quo is enough because as the opposition side of the House, we believe that the current status quo is enough, as it is the right of people who are able to vote, to choose whether they who they want to vote, whether they want to vote or not. Because we have to understand the basic principle in democracy is centered around people, and by this we believe that by having the right to vote, it is equal to people having the power to choose who gets to be elected as an official. It is equal to people having the power to pick who gets to be at the top of the country, who lead us. We believe that. And then by not possessing political general knowledge, it also doesn't mean that people will pick the wrong person to be elected. It is not 100% guaranteed that if but people not having those general political knowledge, it does not guarantee 100% that those people will pick the wrong person to be an official. So as it was like that, we have to understand that when someone is actually willing to vote, it is actually equal to someone, to people are willing to make the country a better place. They are willing to make the country change into a better country. We have to understand that. And then it is also, I believe that it is not fair for everyone to have the same amount of general knowledge in this case, because by implementing this motion, it shows that government is not trusting the people at all. Because the government, by implementing this motion, we believe that the government is only allowing some people to actually vote and not allow, because as we have to pass the political general knowledge test in order to vote. So we believe that by doing this, by implementing this motion, it shows that the government only allows some group of people to vote, thus not trusting people who are not passing the test. So moving on to my next element, the second one, we believe that this motion will actually make categorize people into classes. So if this motion is implemented, it means we are putting people into different categories, different divisions. So first category is the people who can vote. Second category would be people who are not able to vote. So as we categorize them, we also have to be aware that those people who are actually put in the categories not being able to vote usually have a higher chance to be people of those in lower class, because we have to understand the fact that not everyone can receive the same amount of education, because those people in the high class, middle class and lower class have the different access to education, because we all know why that was. And we believe that by categorizing people into able to vote and not able to vote, we believe that the people of lower class will be put into disadvantaged position, will be put into unfavorable position, as we believe that it was those people that would most likely unable to vote because they are not able to pass the test. Because why? They don't have the same amount of education like those people in the middle class or the higher class. So we believe that the lower class people will be put into a disadvantaged position, and the opposition does not want that. We want to make sure that everyone, no matter what class, no matter you are rich, no matter you are poor, no matter you are just in the middle class, that you are able to vote equally. And then moving on to my third argument. So we also believe that this test is not absolute. As not absolute, it will not be the absolute proof that by passing this test we can actually choose a better guy for the country. So we believe that having knowledge doesn't mean a better leader for the country. So just by having knowledge doesn't mean we are getting to put the right people into the top. So and we also believe that why is it that the people who are the one that will have to work hard to make sure the candidate is good, to make sure the candidate is able to lead the country well. So why it is that it have to be us? We believe that instead of the people, it should be the government that put more effort in choosing or allowing people which person get to be the elected. As the opposition side of the house, that's all I would like to propose. Thank you.